What should we take into consideration when we're selling an Amazon business, and how can we get the price of the business up? Like, I want to sell my business, I want to get more money for it if possible. How do I do that? And what are the important things when selling an Amazon business?
First and most important, you want to sell a business that's doing well right now. Okay. Of course, if you want to get more for it, you want a business that's not based just on one product, have multiple products, not have all your revenue based on one product, not be based on just one platform. If you're selling on Amazon, I don't know, try selling on Walmart, Etsy, your own private website. If you have products, that are not profitable, maybe consider, removing them completely, because basically, that takes down the total profit of the actual store. If you're able to protect your product, if it's patented, even if you have a specific design, that will also raise the value of your business. And those are most important things, that there's different things to consider as well. But basically what I always tell people is, put yourself in the shoes of the potential buyer. Would you buy your business based on the way it's looking right now?